So today we're going to look at a form of literary collage that I have found really useful when rewriting a scene. And I've got a big, long, wieldy scene. I don't know, it's like 3,000 words right now. It's way too long, but I just can't bring myself to cut it or to work with it in some way. So what I'm going to do is rip it up and make a collage. And so I've selected some things that kind of like talk to me about the way that this book and this story is. Like a lot of it's about home, sort of also Norman Rockwell, like the ideas, the idyllic home that's not reality. And then just some images, like it's based in Duluth, so I have some pictures of Duluth. I just like went through magazines and books and tore out things I liked. And then I also like to use origami paper in the collages that I make. So the first step I'm going to do, and this is so like, even though this is saved, right? It's not my only draft, but there's something about just starting to rip it up and starting to rework it. So there's no rhyme or reason to it. I'm just kind of letting go to the process of making a different kind of image, using my creativity in a new way, which will then inform how I rewrite the scene. So you can see I've just like ripped things up really quickly. I just make really, really fast choices about what sorts of things I wanted to use and just sort of spread them all out, working quickly, and then I'm going to assemble it into the collage. Okay, so this is the finished project. This took me like 10 minutes to do. I ripped stuff up, I ripped it by hand, and then I just very quickly worked. And the whole point of this is to see a scene or a story in a different way, to change how our brains are looking at it. And so I just worked instinctually and pasted stuff down. I ripped up the story moments and I pasted those down, and I'll use this as inspiration for when I'm rewriting the scene to see it differently and to bring out the characters.